The cave is inundated with water. It has happened before, but as it's exceptionally large, the amount of water, then I decided to post or film actually the video and to post later, because it began already yesterday, the waterfall, but it happened so often that so regular I didn't bother yesterday to begin filming even. It's just the usual thing. Oh, beautiful. Very nice in sunlight. And here as well I heard a lot of water coming at night. It is indeed. It's not very often, it's a couple of times only, maybe 3 times in total it has been so much water in the cave. But as I'm well protected, it doesn't bother me. Beautiful. Very beautiful. If I can find a solution inside the cave. Actually there is a solution perhaps. I mean, not from the ceiling. Ceiling I have already all the material bought long time ago. I can fix it, but on the ground of a cave it could be done perhaps with some special mats or tatami, or I don't know, but kind of which doesn't degrade in water, just to elevate the ground a little bit, so if there is ever water again, it could be then just below the mats. But it costs money again. Back to the same question that you can donate to me to fix these issues, but I can live with that as well. It doesn't bother, as it happens only, how much I've been, 2 years here, so it's 3rd time now, so let's say twice a year it's been so much water in the cave. As well, the amount of water doesn't allow it to rise even a few centimeters from I mean above the ground there. Usually it's only in one side and little bit, and it goes away. Oh, it's still dark. I didn't bring lamp with me. How can I show it? Yeah, here we go. So here how it is. Here just a little bit drops because there are some holes in the rusted roof, but it's so little that I didn't bother cover it everything. It's quite safe. The thing is that perhaps I will need to still change these rusted pieces here, and because of the holes there, rusted holes. So just in case if ever happens any bigger waterfall still, then it will not drop even on top of my head there. So I have for this, if you haven't seen my older videos, here is already the material. These are to change the second roof, because I have double roof, so the second roof there, to change this, and these are for the ceiling works. Already half a year ago I bought them, just too busy. As I said in one video, it's actually so easy work, maybe hour or two of work, but the process of taking all the stuff out of a cave and putting here somewhere under cover, so if rain comes it wouldn't get damaged, and then putting it back, that's a time of day or two of work. Otherwise the fixing itself, it's easy, it's nothing special. Anyway, that's how it is, life here in Madeira on Paradise Island. Nice warm weather regardless of rainy season, and cold winter sometimes, and up the hill, I mean up the mountains higher, there is cold. There is even in summer you can find snow some places. I filmed that actually, it's unbelievable, but there are some places even snow next to the road there. But here down next to the ocean, it's completely warm, summer and winter.